Welcome to HoneyBeeMade TV, your backyard beekeeper here inside Studio Honeybee. This is the place where we talk about honey, honeybees, and backyard beekeeping. Sometimes we are here inside Studio Honeybee. Sometimes we are in the kitchen cooking with honey. And sometimes we are in the backyards of the Twin Tiers. You never know just where we are going to be. If you are new to us, give that subscribe button down below a big ol' clickaroo for all the latest from HoneyBeeMade TV. Leave us a comment, subscribe, and please share the latest buzz with all the world. It's the latest buzz, don't you know? If you are interested in honey, honeybees, wooden-ware, or just have a question, please give me a shout out. My email address is in the description down below. With another bee-rated video from Studio Honeybee, I'm your backyard beekeeper, and we are going to make a beeline for some honey. And we'll catch you on the bee side. Hey, what happened? Who turned out the lights? Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.